Teeth whitening can be a lucrative addition to your business, however, it's important to choose the right supplier and products. Buying teeth whitening gel from an Australian compliant supplier who is registered with NICNAS and fully insured, and whose products are made in an ISO certified factory, is crucial. The National Industrial Chemicals Notification and Assessment Scheme (NICNAS) is an Australian government agency responsible for ensuring the safety and efficacy of industrial chemicals. By purchasing teeth whitening gel from a NICNAS registered supplier, you can be confident that the product you are using is safe and effective. ISO, International Organization for Standardization, Certification, is a global benchmark for quality management and assurance. By choosing a product that is made in an ISO certified factory, you can be confident that the product you are using has been manufactured to the highest standards and is of high quality. Buying teeth whitening gel from an Australian compliant supplier who is registered with NICNAS and fully insured, and whose products are made in an ISO certified factory, is an important step in ensuring the safety and efficacy of your cosmetic procedures. By doing so, you can offer your clients a brighter and healthier smile with confidence. As a professional in the cosmetic industry, it's essential that you provide your customers with safe and effective treatments. By using ISO-certified teeth whitening products from an Australian compliant supplier, you can ensure that the products you are using are of the highest quality and have been manufactured to strict standards. Here are some of the key benefits of using ISO-certified teeth whitening products in your salon or business. ISO certification provides assurance that the products you are using are of the highest quality and have been manufactured in a facility with stringent standards and controls. ISO-certified factories are subject to rigorous checks and inspections, ensuring that the products manufactured there are safe for use. This is important for your customers as it reduces the risk of harm and adverse reactions and protects your business from liability issues. Teeth whitening products made in ISO-certified factories are subject to rigorous quality control procedures, ensuring that each batch is consistent in terms of strength and effectiveness. This enhances the reputation of your business and the satisfaction of your customers, as they can expect consistent results every time. By offering teeth whitening products made in ISO-certified factories, you can differentiate your business from competitors and market your services as providing high-quality and safe products. This can help attract more customers and increase your business revenue. Using ISO-certified teeth whitening products from an Australian compliant supplier is a smart investment for your salon or business. By doing so, you can provide safe and effective treatments, improve the reputation of your business, and increase customer satisfaction.